Afternoon, welcome back. I have a new journal to share with you. This one is a Jane Austen themed journal. It's bound in leather, and the cover here, the decoration, these are 4 corner pieces, a little piece of metal and a little cameo all glued to the surface to create this little design, which I thought went well with the theme. I had used one kit from that will be linked below the video, and then there are also digitally collaged pages that I had created. This is my marble paper, and intermingled in here is some nice writing parchment paper that has different kinds of decoration on it, either some marbled paper scraps, some stenciling, and occasionally an embellishment or so from the kit. This little pocket has, this is like a little booklet which opens this way, and you could sew in some pages. I haven't done that yet because I wanted to be able to show you that it was just 4 little images, and when you fold it in half and then fold the 2 sides into the middle, you create the little booklet affair, or you could cut them all apart and have individual little images. And there's lots of little journal cards with this particular kit. This is one of the pages that I collaged. And just a word about digital collage. I used to do the fussy cutting and paper collage to decorate my pages, but since I actually write in my journals and I don't do more of the glue book look where you're just pasting in a lot of ephemera, too much ephemera, too many pockets really start to get in my way and interfere with writing, and I just it just bothers me. So as someone who does journal and write, I don't do that. This is another piece from the kit that can be used in multiple ways. This window can be glued down in the middle, and then the flap, here's a flap on this side and a flap on this side. It comes out to be the full size of a piece of paper. They could be folded over in the middle and open that way. I just happen to make it into a flip of sorts. Another one of mine to separate it from the what's in the kit. Nice soft colors, pinks, reds, greens, and nice little pieces of ephemera you can stick on things. But like I said, it's mainly a writing type journal, which is what I've moved into simply by personal preference. I know a lot of people think that that makes it not really a junk journal, although I would beg to differ. I think a junk journal is whatever you want it to be. If I could paint and draw like some of the people do, I would probably paint and draw more pages. This is another flip. Same concept. That if you take this to here, that's the whole printout, and then you can fold it in many different ways. And then there's these large tags that fit inside the pockets. I just added a little piece of mylar there for the window. But I think the imagery is pretty and sweet, and gives a lot of opportunity for interpretation. There's some belly band, side pockets, large tags, little envelopes with little note cards. So there's a lot of depth and breadth to the kit. I think that Jarf did a really good job of making it where it would fit many different styles of journaling. The other thing that's included, which I did not use in this journal, are these quotes from the books that you can print out and cut and then paste to the page. I printed it out because I thought as I journal, if any of these quotes fit with what I'm feeling for the day, it would be a good way to add a little something else to the pages. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I hope it gave you a few ideas. And you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay well. See you soon.